And I think the American people long for us to restore a threshold of civility to public life, and it can begin right here on Mackinac Island. And the truth is, as we may discuss when Roop comes out, is that the quest for common ground has never been more urgent. And our nation faces extraordinary challenges today at home and abroad. This very hour, we have Americans in harm's way. Many American families are struggling with the rising cost of living. We have a $39 trillion national debt, larger than the entire national economy. And there are gathering storms of authoritarian regimes on the move in Eastern Europe and the Asia Pacific. I mean, now more than ever, we need to demand of our leaders a politics that allows us to address these issues, to listen to one another in the way that Americans have always done in times of great trial.